Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm super excited to show you how to make homemade butter and cheese right from your very own kitchen. Trust me, it's easier than you think, and the results are absolutely delicious. First up, let's start with butter. All you need is one ingredient, fresh heavy cream. Pour your heavy cream into a stand mixer or a large bowl if you're using a hand mixer. Start mixing on medium speed. After a few minutes, you'll see the cream transform into whipped cream. Keep going. This is just the beginning. Now, as you keep mixing, the whipped cream will start to separate. You'll notice a liquid forming. That's buttermilk. And solid bits. That's your butter. Once the butter clumps together, pour off the buttermilk. Don't throw it away. You can use it for baking or cooking later. Next, you need to wash your butter. Rinse it under cold water, squeezing gently to remove any remaining buttermilk. This step is important to keep your butter fresh longer. Add a pinch of salt if you like, and voila, you've made your own butter. Now let's move on to cheese making. We're going to make a simple and tasty ricotta cheese. For this, you'll need 4 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice or white vinegar. In a large pot, combine the milk, cream, and salt. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it reaches 185 degrees Celsius or just before it starts to boil. Once it's hot, remove the pot from the heat and add your lemon juice or vinegar. Give it a gentle stir and you'll see the curds begin to form. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Now take a colander lined with cheesecloth and place it over a large bowl. Carefully pour the curds and whey into the colander. Let it drain for about an hour depending on how thick you want your ricotta. And there you have it. Fresh, creamy ricotta cheese. So there you go, homemade butter and ricotta cheese from scratch. Give these recipes a try and let me know how they turn out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious homemade recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.